So what's up guys, welcome to Python Django tutorial. Previously we have seen about static folder. Now in this class we will see how to make use of the dictionary and how to pass data to a template. Okay, so let me just go to my apps. I will click on views, and this is a place from where we will be sending creating directory and sending data to a template. Okay, so first of all, I'll come over here and I will say sender data. So basically you can give almost any name. This is a variable. Then I will make use of the equal to sign. I will make use of the curly braces. I will make some space. I will make use of single quotes. I will say data1 colon and okay, so now let me not take this as a data1. I will say name. I will say Akshay. My god. Okay, so now I want to send this data at the front end. So how I can do that is I will pass this name as a third attribute to this render function. So I will give the comma over here and I will say sender data. Okay, so now I'll save this and now I'll go to my index. Okay, so this is my index template. I will come over here and now uh, let me just go to the views. So basically now I have passed two variables, which is name and surname, through this dictionary. So basically whatever we have created over here, this is known as a dictionary. We are just creating dictionary and we are sending data of the dictionary at the front end. Now I will go to my index. So basically this is sending data and index.html. I will go to index, and now suppose I want to make use of those variables, then I will say I will make use of paragraph tag. Now I'll make use of those variables. I will say name and surname. Okay, I'll save this name and surname. Yes, now I'll come over here and I will execute this. Okay, so now as can be seen, it is saying hello, how are you, Akshay Maker. So this what I've done is I've created this dictionary and I have passed the data. So basically this is hard-coded data, which is my name only. I've hard-coded some data and I've passed this data at the front end through this dictionary. Okay, so what this will do is this will pass the value of these variables at the front end, and now I'm getting this output. Okay guys, so this is how you can hard code some data, create one dictionary and send the data at the front end. Thanks for watching.